Hello everybody, and in this video I'm just going to show you that there is a biggest opportunity to get a free t-shirt or a free goodies from for a developer, and this is an event that is called Hacktoberfest. And here you are total 55,000 participants can earn a t-shirt. So how you can earn this t-shirt, and if you want to participate in this event, so how you can participate. And as you can see 55,000 are going to get this a free t-shirt. Which type of t-shirts are there, and if anybody was get this t-shirt in the past, so I'm just going to show you. This is the largest event in open source that is called Hacktoberfest. Hacktober, always it is this event will organize in the month of October. That's why this is named Hacktoberfest. And this is the ninth edition, I think. And this is Hacktoberfest 2021, and already total 9 events already completed, 8 editions already completed, and their t-shirts you can see here. Time to time they changes their t-shirts, and you can see here at the last time they distribute this type of t-shirt, which you can see on the screen. You can see this is a one white as well as one blue, whichever you want you can order. And also this time there are lots of changes, and there are some strict rules are there, so that this event will not spammed by anyone. So I'm just going to show you how this all things are going to work, and how you are the one in the 55,000 to get this t-shirt. So firstly, this is my channel Career Edge, and I am Akshay, your friend. And as you can your friend, you can connect me on LinkedIn. You find a link in the description. You can connect me on Telegram. There is a group link in the description, Career Edge group. As well as if you want different type of educational opportunities, on YouTube, then you can just subscribe our Career Edge channel, where you got lots of videos related to educational contents, whether it is free certification, free internships, as well as virtual experience program, free goodies opportunities, and different type of other tutorials as well. So you can find lots of videos on my channel. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe, as well as please hit the like button of this video, because this video will very helpful. This video is very helpful, and this will help you to get a free t-shirt in the largest event of open source, that is Hacktoberfest. And you can see there are lots of videos you can find on my channel, and this is all for you. And you can go and watch all type of videos, and you can find an opportunity for you as well to get this type of goodies. Certification is for open for all, and there are lots of other things as well. Now let's go to the event page, and this is the Hacktoberfest official page, where you can find all the knowledge, means brief idea about Hacktoberfest. So here you can see open source is changing the world one contribution at a time. So why I made this video before 3 days 22 hours. Maybe you get this video more late, but why I choose to make video before this event start, because there are lots of things which I am going to tell you in this video, so that you may you can get a free t-shirt. And you are the one in the 55,000 which I already mentioned. So you can get a free t-shirt here. There are lots of t-shirt, and you all can get. So here you can see, you can take a look that this type of event organized by different type of organizer in the Hacktoberfest. And nowadays this is not possible because of COVID pandemic. And now they held online events, different type of events you can find on different type from different type of groups and different type of open source community. They will going to held different type of event online, so that anyone who wants to participate in this type of event and wants to know about open source may get idea about that. So this Hacktoberfest hosted by DigitalOcean for the eighth year in a row. So total seven edition completed. This is the eighth year, and this is also the whole this program this edition is also hosted by DigitalOcean. As you all know, what is DigitalOcean? This is if you doesn't know, just go and Google and reach at the DigitalOcean page and know about that. Next thing is participation in giving back to the open source community by completing pool request, participating in events, and donating to open source projects. So here what you are going to do is you need to familiar with open source, two open source platform, that is GitLab or a GitHub. You can choose anyone. What you need to do is you need to go and search for the different type of projects. You just search for that projects, and after that you just visit it. And if you find means if you find that that project is helpful, and if you want some changes so that it will means the project will get more means the means that you make that changes so that this that project will look more good and will more efficient. So you can suggest some changes through different type of tools which is already available on GitHub and GitLab, and that is called pull request. And if you did that, then after that, if you complete that pull request in this means in this month of October, then they will count your pull request. And if you complete total 5 pull requests, you need to do total 5 pull requests, and as you complete total 5 pull requests, you are as eligible to get a free t-shirt. But there are lots of things which is now which is means they know that maybe there are spamming, means anyone can create a small project, anyone can come and just change something, just write their name, and that second the second person is his friend, and just he approve that, and may this become a spamming of this program that is made for the encouragement towards towards open source. So that's why they regulate this event. Different type of rules are there. I'm just going to show you that as that things as well. So here you can see all backgrounds and skills level are encouraged to complete this challenge. So there is nothing limitation, there is no eligibility, there is no requirement. Anyone can participate, whether you are a student, you are in industry, you are a fresher, or you are anyone, you can participate. There is no limitation. So next thing is global stats of Hacktoberfest 2021. Here you can see total in the Hacktoberfest 2021 total participants are 1069 1,69,886, means 886. Next thing is participating repositories. How much repository means how much pull request generated. So that is 1,16,361. And next is represented countries. Total 135 countries participated in last event, that is Hacktoberfest 2020, and that event is very successful. As well as in that event, total more than 1 lakh plus t-shirts will be was distributed from Hacktoberfest. But this time they limit because there are lots of spamming in the past year as well, because of different type of means. So I'm not going to in that section. So firstly you can see who can join this. Contributors can join this. You can read all the things because I'm just going to put the link in the description so that you can visit this, you can read about all the things. So and here anyone that runs an open source project on GitHub or GitLab and desires help for the community to improve their projects can join Hacktoberfest. So if you have a project and you wants to improve it, but you doesn't means you are you made that project and you are not getting any type of error, any type of improvement, means you can't find that. You just made it open source, you just put it on GitLab or GitHub, and anyone can find, made it public. And if anyone find, if they want to change that, then you can see their change. And if you find that change really helpful for your project, then approve it, and this become a pull request. And the those who make this pull request will be going to benefit with their increased number of pull requests, and if they complete total 5 pull requests they will get a free t-shirt. So next thing is companies, event organizers, so these are not for you. Next thing is how you can find different type of projects. So this is a very means important thing, how you can find anyone who have who wants to change their means who wants to improve their project by open source. So there for that you can join the Hacktoberfest Discord server. When you click that, you find the Discord server of Hacktoberfest, and you all can join this hack. You can see here total 22,980 members already available, and if you want to join them, then you can just go and join them in this event. So next thing is there are lots of resources. I am just going to show you here. This is the resources tab on Hacktoberfest 2021, and here they show all type of resources and how you can participate in this, how what are the short term action, long term impact, quantity is fun, quantity is key, this type of things you can read, and you find these are very really helpful. And if you want to know more about how you can do pull request, then you can watch this video. But if you doesn't know about the pull request and how you can do this type of things, just wait. I'm going to make a video really only on the pull request, how you can generate the pull request, how you can complete this 5 pull request and get a free t-shirt. I'm just going to make that video, so please wait for that, and I will upload that video surely. So next thing is maintainers, quality standards, participants, beginners, event organization, and companies. So there are guidelines for them, for all them. And the main thing for you is you are participant, and you need to just choose here participation. And when you choose participation, you find this, and this tab is consist of all the rules and regulation. So there is a details about Hacktoberfest is open to everyone, to global community, whether you are a seasoned contributor or looking for project. Pull request can be made in any participating GitHub or GitLab hosted repository. So as I suggest, GitHub or a GitLab. Look for the Hacktoberfest topic to know if a repository project is a participating in Hacktoberfest, or a pull request must be approved by a maintainer of the repository project to count. So these are the things. You can also go and visit this site. I'm just going to give the link in the description, so you can visit this. And next thing is rules. So these are the very important things. Pull request can be submitted and any opted in GitHub or GitLab. The pull request must contain commits you made yourself. Next thing is, if a maintainer reports your pull request as a spam, it will not be counted toward the participation in Hacktoberfest. So these are the rules and regulation you need to know. If a maintainer reports behavior that's not in line with the project's code and conduct, you will be ineligible to participate. To get a t-shirt, to get a shirt, you must make an approved pull request and opted projects between October 1 to 31 in any time zone. So if you are not on in open source, so please go make your GitHub or a GitLab profile. And if you have any projects, then you just deploy, make a repository in a on a GitHub, deploy it, and after that, when this Hacktoberfest will be started, then you just make it public and go join Discord of Hacktoberfest, and just go and put your link of that repository. Anyone can come on your repository and make a pull request and make suggest some changes, and you just, if you want, then you just approve it. If you doesn't, you just ignore it. And this type of things will be going to happen in this Hacktoberfest. And as well as, if you want to do pull request, then you just join Discord, and there you find different type of links of the projects, and you just tap on that. You just go visit there, visit their projects, and suggest some changes. And if they approve, your pull request count, it will increase. And if it increase to the 5, then you got a free t-shirt from here. So these are the whole thing about the Hacktoberfest. And if you wants to know how I made a pull request, so there is a very simpler video. From that you can find how this will be helpful. And there is one more thing, that I'm just going to make a separate Telegram group for our community, that is careers community, so that the subscriber which has joined our channel can join at that Telegram group, and there you can our subscriber can share their projects, their pull requests, different type of things, so that this will help you to get your free t-shirt. So please watch that next video, so that you are also get to know about the Hacktoberfest and how you can do pull request and lot different type of things which is required for this for the participating in this Hacktoberfest 2021. So that's all the thing which I wants to tell you about this Hacktoberfest, and there are total 3 days remaining. So please go make your GitHub or a GitLab profile, and after that deploy your projects on that, and after just wait for the October, means total 2 to 3 days are remaining, and after that this event will be start, and start doing pull request. And there are lots of all the tricks and techniques to get a t-shirt. So use that and get free t-shirt from Hacktoberfest 2021. So that's much in this video, friends. Meet in the next video. Thanks for watching, and please doesn't forget to subscribe Career Edge, as well as please drop your comment if you have any doubt. So that's much in this video. Thanks for watching.